So what we've said is we want to have a grown-up, honest conversation with all union leaders about what is responsible, what is reasonable, and what is affordable for our country when it comes to pay. We think that those conversations should happen. That's why we've invited everyone in to have those talks on Monday, and I'm hopeful that those talks can be constructive and we can find a way through this. So I fully believe in the union's role in our society and the freedom for them to strike. But I also believe that that should be balanced with the right of ordinary working people to go about their lives free from significant disruption. And that's why we're going to bring forward new laws in common with countries like France, Italy, Spain and others that ensure that we have minimum levels of safety in critical areas like fire, like ambulance, so that even when strikes are going on, you know that your health will be protected. I think that's entirely reasonable, and that's what our new laws will do.
Quite simply, there is a cost of living crisis. Inflation's ramping through the roof. After 4 years, my people feel they deserve a pay rise. Inflation ran at 14% last year. It's in double digits this year. Effectively, people have seen a 25% cut in their disposable income and their real wage. How long can that go on for? Regardless of what you do in what sector you're in. Well, that's quite simple. Look, we're not the government. We haven't been in power for 12 years. Right, every aspect of society that's been impacted by government policy. 10 years of austerity, cuts to the economy, slowing growth, a badly handled Brexit, whatever your view on Brexit was, right, has all led to where we are today. But the fact that we've got so many people out on strike and so many people suffering, only the government can change it, or a change of government can change it.
I mean, I fully support the strikes. I think it's completely fair enough. I think there's a serious issue with how people perceive them in the country as well. I think that the fact they've been going on so long has really sort of hampered the effect they've had, because I think at the start a lot of people were quite supportive of it, but because the government's dragged its heels and the strikes have gone on and on, it's sort of turned sentiment against it.
It seems like a very difficult situation. I'm glad I'm not the government trying to sort it out, because I don't really know what the answer is. I think possibly, well, we definitely need to give people pay rises, but where does that money come from? That's the problem. Will it create further problems? It's a really tricky situation and difficult not to feel very depressed about it all, really. Thank you.